It is wait, friend. Yes, friend. This is your ads. I will at first I did set up engagement ad. You will
Mm-hmm.
got you will got already 3,162 audience in this ad, and your CPC cost per result only 1 cent, 1 cent, and
Okay.
amount spent is $24 only. It is
Okay.
your ads, okay? It is the best result for this ad, okay? I will give
What
you
you
I will give you the best marketing strategy, and I will give you the best audience, lot of audience in your website. Wait, friend. At first, I will go your business manager. It is data source. It is pixel. At first, I did say there there are no pixel. I did I did send you the screen share. You saw that, okay, friend. Now I set up your pixel. This pixel is the green signal. It is okay, and
okay? So where
is
does the pixel? So where does the pixel go?
okay. Okay, wait, friend. I will show that everything. It is your
Okay.
domain. I did already domain your verified. It had unverified. Okay, I did complete this your domain verified. How to set up your pixel? I will see that now. Okay, okay, friend. Wait. Now I going to your net is slow. Wait, friend. Very slow of my net. Do you do you already remove
Yeah.
my remove?
Yeah. Send the email, and I'll send you. Send me, and I'll put the security code in the chat.
Okay, friend. Do you got code? Hello, friend. Check your
It
mobile.
has. It hasn't come in. Oh, check my phone.
Yes,
Okay.
phone. If you cut off the Zoom link, please, friend, again click same link. Okay, friend. My Zoom link limit time is 40 minutes. Okay, only.
Okay. Send me text the code so I can give it to you.
Yes, yes, friend.
Yeah. Click. Resend it. Resend the code.
Where? Chat box.
Resend it.
Okay. You sent the on Fiverr.
Hold on.
Quick, send me code, please, friend. Any place, don't worry. You give me chat box. Do you got the any code?
No, I need you to resend it. Click that box. Yeah, click that.
Okay. Now you got any code?
Yes, I put it in chat box.
Right. 104 versus obligation. Okay. Now we cannot need that. It is everything. Okay, friend. I did set up your domain code. At first, I set up your domain code. Next,
Okay.
I set up your pixel code and update and save. Okay, friend. Now I going to your the event manager. Okay. Now I am going to your pixel and event manager. Six, seven, eight. It is your pixel. Okay. It is default pixel. It does not working, but it is your Nexa Motorist pixel. ID code. ID is last three numbers 678. Okay. It is your pixel. Test event. It is everything your event. I did set up your event optimization because okay, friend. Now I did set up your all ISO 14.5 update. Okay, it is your all event. Add payment info, add to cart, complete registration, lead, purchase, view content, contact, instant checkout. What? Okay, this is the this is your event optimization. Is completely I did completely your event optimization and I did set up your event with your website. Okay, at first don't show. You look at 14.5 ISO 14.5 update already completed. Okay, everything is completed of your pixel. Now I can set up your target traffic ads. Okay, when I will set up your traffic ad, you will traffic uh, come on your website. Okay.
No, no. Check the chat.
Wait. It is your website. I will already set up and optimize all event.
No, no. I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah, friend.
I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna tell you where I want what. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I want clients to do. I don't want them going to the website. What? Because when they go to the website, I need to make it simple for them where I need them to go. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna put it in the chat.
What friend? I check your message.
No, hold on. Let me type it. Let me type it.
Okay. Okay, friend.
Oh,
I
hold
did
on.
understand. I did understand your message. Um, when
Look
I
at this.
set up, yes, when someone goes to my ad and click on it, I want them to go directly to my uh, calen clean like to that they can set up time to talk with me. Okay, friend. If you want to if you want to call on your phone number, I can set up your ad. Okay.
That's okay. Hold on in the chat.
Okay, friend. Okay, wait.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me put it in the chat.
Yes, friend. Wait. Yes, friend. You will give me calendaring link. Okay. I will set up that. When I set up traffic ad and set up that link, you will they will sign up your timing. Okay, with your discuss. Okay, they will always time discuss with you and set up time when I set up the traffic ad with your link. Yes, friend. Wait, friend. I'll save that. Okay, I'll save. This is your link. Okay. Yes, friend.